Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stream Amazon Prime on Zoom. This is a great way to watch movies or shows together with friends, family, or colleagues during a video call, creating a virtual watch party experience, no matter where everyone is located. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Zoom home screen where you can access all your meeting options. Next, join a meeting. This could be a scheduled meeting you've set up in advance, or you can simply click on Join to enter a meeting ID that someone has shared with you. Either way, make sure you're in the active meeting before moving on to the next steps. Now, once you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window. This is where all your main controls live. Locate and click on the Share button. This button is essential as it allows you to share your screen or specific applications with everyone in the meeting. When you click it, a new window will pop up showing you various sharing options. In this Sharing Options window, you'll see thumbnails of your screens and individual applications currently open on your computer. Look for the screen or application window that has your Amazon Prime Video open. You can choose to share your entire screen, which would show everything on your display, or you can select just the Amazon Prime Video application window for a cleaner, more focused viewing experience. Click on whichever option works best for you. Here's the crucial part. Right below your selection, you'll notice a checkbox that says Share Sound. Make sure you check this box. This option is absolutely vital because without it, your meeting participants won't be able to hear the audio from the video you're streaming. By enabling this feature, the sound from Amazon Prime will be transmitted through Zoom to everyone in the call. After you've selected your screen or application and checked the Share Sound box, click the Share button at the bottom right of the window. You'll see your shared content appear on everyone's screen. At this point, you can now start playing your Amazon Prime Video. Simply press play on the content you want to watch, and everyone in the meeting will be able to see and hear it in real time. And there you have it, you've successfully set up Amazon Prime streaming on Zoom, allowing everyone to enjoy content together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.